Polish Kielbasa. Ingredients: 4.5 pounds pork butt, about 2000 grams. 1 pound beef chuck, about 450 grams. 1 pound pork belly, about 450 grams, or back fat. 3 garlic cloves, about 10 grams, large, pressed. 2 teaspoons dried marjoram, about 1.2 grams. 2 teaspoons ground black pepper, about 4.5 grams. 2 tablespoons kosher salt, about 36 grams, plus more to taste, if needed. 1 1/3 teaspoon Prague Powder Curing Salt, about 6.5 grams. 1 cup ice water, about 240 grams. Directions: grind pork, beef and pork belly, back fat on a medium-size plate. 4.5 mm, 3/16 of an inch minus 6 mm, 1/4 of an inch. Add the ice water, all of the spices, and mix well. Stuff into small size hog casings, 28 to 32 mm, tie into rings and hang to dry at room temperature for 2-3 hours. Preheat smoker to 140 F. or 150 F, 160 F max if your smoker can't get that low. Hang sausages in the smoker and dry for 30-60 minutes, until the skin is dry to touch. Then apply smoke for 3-4 hours. Remove sausages once the internal temperature has reached 154 F. If the internal temperature is not rising too well after 3-4 hours of smoking, raise the temperature to 170 F, 175 F. You may have to go to 195 F if necessary. Alternatively, poach the sausages in 167 F water for 25 to 30 minutes or until the internal temperature is at least 154 F. Poaching is a much quicker and more effective method. Cool the sausage down and store in a refrigerator or a freezer.